So there is a forest area here, and it looks good. It looks really good. Good morning, internet. So we are ready for yet another ride. This time it's going to be Pondicherry. It's around 6:30 in the morning. I'm all set. Let's go and do some adventure. So ये निकले हम घर से. It's about to be sunrise. Around 6:45. I think 6 hours will it take? सब पकड़ लो 7 घंटे. चलो लेट्स गो. बैंगलोर में अर्ली मॉर्निंग भी ट्रैफिक रहता है. इट्स फनी. आई थिंक इससे पहले आता, दैट इज I had started say around 5 o'clock or so, then maybe I would have had a little bit of respite. Even this map also shows the same thing. This is what I told. जो कुछ देर पहले दूर से दिख रहा था. We are in traffic again. Even 6:51 a.m. you have such traffic in Bangalore these days. That too on a Friday. चलो सिटी का जाम थोड़ा सा खाली हुआ. बीच में एक स्ट्रेच है which is slight bit खाली, empty basically. It's like वर्थूर का एरिया है बैंगलोर में, which during the daytime would be horribly crowded, but yeah, so far in the morning it's not that crowded. And if you can see the sun. Now we are in the village road which connects Varthur to Electronic City. अभी खाली ही है. टचवुड खाली ही रहे ऐसे. It's or rather 7:08. And in a funny turn of event, it's too foggy. Not extreme, but look at this. It's too foggy. And that too, we haven't even reached the Electronic City area. Or rather, Electronic City cross करके आगे ही निकलेंगे हम लोग. But yeah, suddenly it became foggy. बहुत ही ज़्यादा foggy. This is some lake and look at this. So there we are, the main highway. अगर मैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी के साइड से आता तो I would have taken this bridge. Since I'm not from that side, so I'll not be taking the bridge. I'll be probably down the bridge like this. And then connect to the highway. We crossed the first toll, and as expected we have some traffic here. तो थोड़ा शांति से चलना है अभी यहाँ पे. एंड पूरा रास्ता ही शांति से चलना है. मैंने थोड़ा सा फास्ट चल के आगे देखा था क्या हो रहा था. आई वाज ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट टू कोलाइड विद द स्कूल बस. लकीली आई कुड ब्रेक and the bus could also brake. Toll road starts. Pondicherry, here we come. to 85 kilometers more. So far the highway is normal, no much traffic. One big problem with this new Himalayan, or what I hear from other Royal Enfield owners, are this fuel gauge doesn't give you accurate readings. So what happens is sometimes you feel that you have fuel, but it might be at the extreme end of the line. So you have to be careful with that. Probably just figure out how many kilometers your bike would give, and then accordingly fuel up. When I came last time, or rather when I went to Kodaikanal last time, did I see all these things? ये सब शायद नया नया बनाया हुआ है. ये रास्ता तोड़ रहा है या फिर जो भी कर रहा है, whatever. पीछे एक बड़ा सा डिवीजन था. See, अभी पूरा येलो है. For what reason I don't know. So far अभी तक रास्ता शांति ही शांति है. And then so far the road is clean and has moderate traffic. Around 64 kilometers from Whitefield, and I see they are making roads here. This side maybe, this side maybe. See? So they are widening the road. We haven't reached Krishnagiri yet. थोड़ा सा टाइम है. So there is a funny thing happening, if you can notice. This is a cow ka bachcha, which he has taken in the bike on his lap. Funny. Few moments back, what we saw, that was really funny and actually interesting. That fellow is sport enough to actually carry the cow like this without thinking what people will think. So I really appreciate. I mean, we should. It's like carrying a dog in your scooter. It's the same way he's carrying a calf in his bike, and the cow is also happy. And look at the pahad ahead. So we have entered Krishnagiri. I think 86.9, 87 kilometers we have completed. Still have 230. Krishnagiri 5 kilometers. Salem 115. Krishnagiri में एक डैम है. We've gone there multiple times. So just took the diversion towards Chennai. आगे जाके एक जगह पे राइट मुड़ जाना है. अगर हम लोग कोडाईकनाल जा रहे होते उस दिन तो हम लोग ऊपर से स्ट्रेट निकल गए थे, बट आज ये डाइवर्शन है. दिस इज द प्लेस जहाँ से कृष्णगिरी डैम भी जाते. इट्स वेरी नियर बाय हियर. So after we took that left turn in Krishnagiri, we just came ahead a little bit and then took a right turn again. Now we are in this single lane road, as in बीच में कोई डिवाइडर नहीं है. Obviously यहाँ पे थोड़ा स्पीड कम होगा. In the highway, maintaining speed was very easy. Here, I'm finding it difficult. Probably wind blast or something. Yeah. The road isn't that bad. It's actually pretty. Even though it doesn't have a divider, but the surrounding is not bad. It's actually very pretty. So there is a forest area here. And it looks good. It looks really good. Still have 178 left, 138.4 done with a mileage of 39. Wow. Himalayan is not disappointing me. रास्ता खराब नहीं है, वो एक छोटा सा शहर था. I don't know what river or pond is this, but Google Map में दिखा मेरे को कि वहाँ पे पानी है. So I thought I'll just come and check. Looks nice. With the shadow of that mountain in that entire water. Even though it's not that clear, but ठीक है. It looks nice. चलो, let's go. So I had taken a break after almost 150-ish kilometer. Another 160-ish left. Should take me around till 1 o'clock or so if I don't take any other break. So break के बाद we start again and बहुत ज़्यादा क्रॉसविंड है. अगर निंजा लेके आता तो would have been tiring. इसमें भी टायरिंग है but it's still comfortable. The roads are not very interesting. It's like straight road. Just 151 kilometers left and I have finished 165 so far at an average of 39.3. So if you are to think practically, probably 37-38 का माइलेज शायद मिल रहा है. See the contrast. इस साइड में कुछ नहीं है. इस साइड में there are so many things. I still have 118 kilometers to go. 2 hours and 19 minutes. Almost about to touch 200 kilometers from home. We have finished almost 222 kilometers and we just have 96 left. There is nothing new in these roads, so I'm not been recording much. It's the same straight road basically. Just that बीच में कोई डिवाइडर नहीं है। So I'm not recording much. As such, mostly roads are good. Hardly I have found any diversion. Maybe 2 or 3 diversions. That's all. Maybe like 2-3 kilometers out of these 222. इनके इधर चाय पिया. So these people I have met, very nice people. ठीक है सर, thank you. Bye, thank you. So I met some really good people over there. चाय की दुकान में. They were very fascinated to see the bike from Assam. Yeah. So we have another 91 kilometers left. So Pondi, here we come. So just before we reach Pondicherry, so around 80 kilometers before, we have this forest area. Oops, can't go fast here. I think छोटा फॉरेस्ट एरिया ही है, like this. This area is nice. I don't know which forest it is. But seems like a small, tiny forest with lots of monkeys. Yep. But mountain looks good. Looks as if man-made. देख के लगता है जैसे पत्थर लाके फेंक के इन लोगों ने माउंटेन बनाया. दूर से अच्छा लगता है. There was a very bad stretch of road, say around 1.5 kilometer. It was all dusty. Basically, the entire road was broken. But yeah, I mean, other than that, didn't face much issue as such. अभी सिर्फ 44 kilometers बाकी है. And I think we should reach by around 1 o'clock or so. So we are only 35 kilometers away, and fuel seems to be low. I'm just trying and seeing whether I can reach Pondi and then fuel up. In one full tank, I have already done 398.7 kilometers, and now it has come into reserve. See, around 2-3 liters still left. So I think I should be able to manage. It says 90 kilometers to fuel pump, or rather 90 to empty. Let's see how it goes. It's hot here, 35 degrees. So I just came back from Guwahati. So Guwahati's temperature and temperature of Tamil Nadu is vastly different. Guwahati is still cold, very cold compared to this. So here we are, entered Pondicherry, just 5.2 kilometers away, and my fuel has still not emptied. This bike has supported me like anything. Thank you so much. So there is a petrol pump. Now I will fill up. फ्यूल अप हो गया, फुल टैंक। अभी वी आर गोइंग टू द अनपार्क हॉस्टल, यहाँ पे मैंने बुक कराया। लेट मी गो एंड सी हाउ इट इज। ऑलमोस्ट देयर, 3.2 kilometers. It's very hot here. 36 degree centigrade, Celsius, centigrade, whatever. 36 degree Celsius. And today I'm going to the Serenity Beach. Today we are going out to roam around Pondi. I'm not taking my bike, I'm taking a scooter.